Hi everyone, my name is Vlad, and today we're going to do a demo of Oracle Database Hyper-Administration. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to open a change request. So we're going to our ServiceNow instance, and we're clicking on New. We have a choice of a normal change request or emergency. Let's choose normal. So this is kind of an empty vanilla change request window. We need to enter all of this information. Not all of this information is required. Some is optional, but still we don't have to do that because we do have templates over here. So there's a template for database restore from a backup. There is a template for immediate data manipulation change request in development. And there's one for Oracle Production Database Configuration Change request. This is change request that requires like alter database, alter system. This kind of a request will require a CAP approval. This one, however, immediate DML CR in development does not. So we'll choose this one. And we can see that all the information is auto-populated. We have all the scripts pre-entered. There should be 50 of them. And we can see that there are no tasks that have been executed. So in order to fulfill this change request, what we need to do is to run all these 50 change requests in particular databases. Each has to be run in a specific database. Also, each change request has to pass every stage in the life cycle of a change request. That is assess, authorize, schedule, implement, review, and close. All right, so since we have all the information auto-populated, automation can understand the severity of the situation if it's something that's broken, but in this case, it's basically a planned script run. So all we need to do is to attach the scripts to run. Let's do that. So we're going to scripts and let's choose DCR 0 to 50. Let's attach them to the change request. Here they are. And that is it. Let's submit the change request. And let's look at it. Here it is. 31104. Run Oracle DB scripts in dev environments, auto-approved. So this is a typical run that usually developers request from database admins to be run in UAT environment or in dev environment. All that information is over here. So at this time, what happens, automation connects to ServiceNow, and every 60 seconds, it basically it polls the state of the change request and asks, is there any new change request for me to fulfill? So this is the part that does this. All right, so it gets the information, and the next thing that happens, it basically starts to run the change request. Before we kick this off, let's put this web page on auto refresh because things will start moving quickly, and it's better to use automation to see how this part of database automation works. So what you're looking at will basically refresh the web page every 5 seconds. So let's do that, and it's on auto refresh. So every 5 seconds, this part basically the automation polls ServiceNow. So at this time, it gets the information. It says, okay, there is something has been opened for me. It downloads the attachments, all 50 of them. So as you see, the state is still new. It hasn't been moved to assess, authorize, schedule, implement, in other stages. So at this time it has downloaded them and it analyzes them and it's about to run them. So right now it's in assess state. So automation prepares all of the scripts, converts them, inserts the connection string, because developers are not supposed to see the passwords and connect string, stuff like that. So, but now, as you can see, it says running. So it's scheduled and it's already implemented. So now it jumps to implement state. Still in schedule. Sorry, it's still preparing them. I'm wrong. All right, so now it says run each DCR in order, and it's an implement state. So now it's running all 50 scripts against the right databases. So this will take probably 40 seconds or so, and each script run is analyzed, its log is analyzed for errors or for warnings. So every time it sees Aura dash something 00155, stuff like that, it basically goes to incidents and opens an incident on behalf of this change request. But now we can see that, so let's stop this. And let's take a look at the change request. So it has gone through all of the stages. You see they're checked. It's in a closed state. Now let's see what tasks automation had to perform to fulfill this change request and run all these scripts. So as you can see, there are 11 tasks. Excuse me. So each task is a step. So there you go. It took only 1 minute 39 seconds to run this change request. 50 scripts, excuse me, against 50 databases. Thank you.